Controversy has sparked in South Africa as a man refuses to collect his father's remains. The man at the center of the story is Zakhele Chongco, aged 42 years, from Pietermaritzburg in KZN. His reasons for refusal are rooted in a complex family history.
Ngazwayo ngaseluhlungu ke nami ngambheka ngaze ngahleka ngambheka lo muntu lo uthi uyazi khona usuku lokugcina ngci olofika la nanto ke lifikile.
But what caught the public's eye the most is that his father never played a role in his upbringing. It didn't help him secure an ID, and his father had obtained a protection order against him.
Ngiyagangala nazi mangeke ngitshela abantu ngicela ngivele ngivala umlomo ngoba nale ndawo le ngaba ngibangize ngiyithola kube ngabatshela labo ukuthi i-ID anginawo.
The father's remains await burial, but the son's refusal holds it.
Bonke masikhulu buza benye umuntu hey yazi ngisafuna ukwenza ikhadi lapha. Hey ngiphatheke kabi man lo muntu okwenza ikhadi shuthi mawungenalo ikhadi ngazi ukuthi awusena umuntu lasebhenki.